Alright guys, this is a highly requested video on my channel. This setup video is going to be for the more intermediate, the guy that's been, you know, maybe doing it a year or two. I did utilize a lot of these parts from southeastsoftwash.com, such as the blend manifold, the wand, several other pieces. I get my surfactant from there, as you can see here. Use Southern Draw. Stuff works really good. So the first thing you'll notice is I have two 50-gallon tanks. One thing you want to have is your gallon marks every 5 gallons. That holds my SH. If I had to do it all over again, I would just switch to a single 100-gallon tank. Steel Eagle reel. I'm going to upgrade to a Real Deal hose reel. I've got a 200-foot hose, crimped fittings on the end. You really want that. My trigger wand on here, just because I like using it, it's quick. Southeast Softwash wand that I've modified the end of it to accept my quick connect, so I can just swap my wands out whenever I need to. These little quick connects, guys, keep a few of these on your truck. The blend manifold. For my switch, I used to use those little AutoZone switches, but I went to a full like battery interrupter switch with 10-gauge wiring. Just flip it on and it's good. So I've got my pump. It's able to be changed out pretty quick. End of the NOCO there, it's already hooked up to where all I gotta do charge skids, just come bring a cord to the edge of the truck and boom, there you go, charging overnight. I've been using this 55-gallon drum for water. I want to put a shout out to one of my local competitors. Now he's not a competitor, we're actually cooperating and getting along, and a man once taught me that, you know, if you want to succeed in life, you got to be genuine, you got to be generous, you got to be grateful. Turns out, helping this guy out, even though he's in my hometown, he's got some big flat work jobs that he doesn't have the equipment for. Now I've got equipment for that, so helping him out has in turn helped me out. Like, let's keep a good morality in this industry. Let's help each other out, you know, stop all that petty stuff, ripping up signs, all that garbage. Like, you know, work together towards the common good, because at the end of the day, there's more than enough work to go around, at least in my city. So anyways, guys, that's basically it for me today. And if you see something you want in life, go get it.